Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by updating your headset and mix amp firmware. This fixes hidden audio bugs and improves mic behavior. Next, set your system input gain so peaks sit around 80 to 90%, not at full scale. This prevents clipping while keeping dynamics. Place the boom 1 to 2 inches from your mouth and slightly off axis. This reduces plosive pops while preserving presence. Once done, speak at your normal level and watch the meter. Make small gain adjustments rather than large jumps to keep noise low. Now shape the sound with equalization and dynamics. Apply a high-pass filter around 80 to 100 Hz to eliminate desk rumble and HVAC low end. Boost slightly around 5 to 4 kHz for clarity and reduce boxy mids if needed. Small boosts work best. Add gentle compression, around 3 to 1 with a medium attack and release, to even out levels so quieter words remain audible. Finally, set a noise gate threshold low enough to remove background hum, but high enough. Finish by critically listening and testing in the apps you use. Monitor with closed-back headphones and record short samples at varying distances to check tone and sibilance. Make minor EQ cuts around 6 to 8 kHz if harshness appears. Compare live chat versus recorded audio to ensure settings translate. If you still hear distortion, swap USB ports or cables, try a different mix amp profile, and consider a factory reset as a last resort. These steps often resolve stubborn firmware or routing conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.